Microsoft has officially ended support for Windows 11 version 23H2, Home and Pro editions. If you're still using it, your PC is now unprotected. Here's what you need to know, step by step. On November 11, 2025, Microsoft confirmed that Windows 11 23H2 Home and Pro editions have reached end of servicing. That means the November 2025 update was the last security update for your system. Microsoft says devices on these editions will no longer receive monthly security or preview updates. So your PC won't get protection from the latest security threats, malware, or vulnerabilities. Only Enterprise, Education, and IoT Enterprise editions are still supported, and they'll continue to get updates until November 2026. Home and Pro users are not included. If you're using Windows 11 23H2 Home or Pro, Microsoft strongly recommends upgrading to the latest Windows 11 version 25H2 immediately to stay secure. This is the third reminder from Microsoft after warnings in August, September, and October. Now it's final, support has officially ended. Update your system today. Stay safe, stay updated. Like and subscribe for more Windows alerts and tech updates.